right spelling.
Spell.
I'm not done yet with my spelling. Oh yeah, done.
Look a bit of lightning.
Okay. Have to write my name first, like my teacher said.
It's right
That's a gigantic N. As I said, no abuse for emoji cats. Only meow meow, Akari, and
done with your name.
Susie abuser Uru. Almost. I'm almost done with my name. Okay, I'm done.
Number 1.
Spell what?
Notebook.
Okay. Okay,
Number
mommy and
2. Chair.
okay. Okay, this is easy peasy. I'm done.
Yes.
Number 3.
Pencil.
Okay. My mom's coughing again in the video. Why you always
Number-
cover my recorded video?
What number?
4.
Paper.
Okay.
Number 5.
What?
Board.
Okay, like a chalkboard.
Board.
It almost looks like a board. Number 6.
Number 6 is black.
Left.
Black.
Oh yeah, black. Why did you say bliff?
I said black.
It's like blick.
Number
7.
shoes.
I'm coughing in a video. Shoes, okay. Shoes. Number 8.
Slippers.
Like, it looks like a pow. Number 9. What's number 9? Mommy, I'm at number 9.
Number 9 is
What?
pillow.
Yeah, like what you're doing here, laying down on the pillow. I think I feel like coughing. He needs a milk. Sorry guys, I write it on you. Number 10? I'm at number 10. What's number 10?
Number 10 is
What? Sorry guys, I had no pupils.
eyes.
Eyes. Okay, we have eyes on. Okay, I'm done. Wait. What? Mommy, I'm looking through.
Grande. Wrong spelling slippers.
What?
Slippers is 2P. SLIPPERE. PPERE.
Sorry.
SLIPPERS.
Sorry. Okay, I'm done. Huh.
Magkuhan ka dito. Dilantad ka?
Ang bukan.
Lain yung pamina?
Hindi na.
Sorry guys, Tita Mama is gonna go to my bed. Ayo. I'll pause it.
Magkuhan ka,
Bye-bye.
hindi na po din eh.